In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide multiple sheets at once in Excel. When working with large Excel workbooks, it's common to have several worksheets containing different types of data. Sometimes you may want to temporarily hide certain sheets to keep your workspace organized or to prevent others from seeing information that is not relevant to the task at hand. Instead of hiding sheets one at a time, Excel allows you to hide multiple worksheets simultaneously, which can save time and make managing your workbook much easier. To begin, open your Excel workbook and look at the Sheet tabs located at the bottom of the window. These tabs represent the different worksheets inside your workbook. Each sheet may contain its own set of data, formulas, charts, or calculations. When a workbook contains many sheets, navigating between them can become cluttered, which is why hiding some of them can help simplify your view. Now, locate the sheets that you want to hide. To select multiple sheets at once, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While holding the Control key, click on each sheet tab that you want to hide. As you select them, you will notice that the tabs become highlighted, indicating that they are all currently selected. This step allows Excel to apply the same action to several sheets at the same time, instead of repeating the process individually. After selecting all the sheets you want to hide, move your cursor to any one of the highlighted sheet tabs. Right-click on the selected tab to open a context menu that contains several worksheet management options. From this menu, click Hide. As soon as you select this option, Excel will immediately hide all of the selected worksheets at the same time. Once the sheets are hidden, they will no longer appear in the row of sheet tabs at the bottom of the workbook. However, it's important to understand that hiding a sheet does not delete it or remove its data. The information remains safely stored within the workbook and can still be restored whenever needed. Hiding multiple sheets is especially useful when preparing a workbook for presentation, sharing a file with others, or simply reducing visual clutter while focusing on a specific part of your spreadsheet. By temporarily removing unnecessary tabs from view, you create a cleaner and more manageable workspace. This simple technique makes organizing large Excel files much more efficient and helps you maintain better control over which worksheets are visible at any given time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.